Alright, so hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to my channel, or you can say welcome to my first vlog. And this vlog is really special because tomorrow is my birthday, which is 11th of October, and today is 10th of October. The time right now is morning 10 a.m. and we are leaving for a very beautiful location. It's my birthday location, so it's in Lonavala, and where exactly we are going, I will be reaching there and showing you guys that place, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So guys, I'm going there with my close friends, and they are very close to me. Some are influencers and some are like very close to me. So I'm going with them. Some are going with me on the way and some will join me in the evening. So I will show you guys the location where exactly I'm going when I'll reach there. So enjoy the view, and so yeah. So guys, we have finally reached the destination, and I want you guys to check this out. Yeah, Akash. Hey. So our cars are parked over here, and I'll show you guys a good view of where exactly we are. So this is our bungalow where we are going to stay. It's huge, right? As you can see, it's so beautiful and so big, and I can see a pool over there, and I can't wait to swim. And you can see my friend flexing over there. बेटा, हम भी आ रहे हैं टी-शर्ट निकाल के थोड़ी देर में. And you can see one more friend of mine who is there. Moin, you can also remove your t-shirt over there. So guys, I'll just show you around. So I'll just give you a walk around of this beautiful bungalow, and look at this, look at the lawn over here, and just ignore these guys. I'll keep a hand over here, you can just ignore them while I show you the view. You can still ignore them. I've kept the hand over here, and here we are. Look at this. I can't wait to just dive into this. And as you can see the view, isn't it beautiful? So I'll just show you around what's inside, and they can't stop showing off. And any which ways he cannot show off because he doesn't have a body like him and a body like me. And here you have first copy of you can guess who is he. And let me show you guys what's inside. First I'll show you the caretaker of this beautiful bungalow. आपका नाम? गांधी भाई है. ये गांधी भाई ये पूरे ब्यूटीफुल बंगलो का एकदम अच्छे से देखभाल करते हैं. तो गांधी भाई, हम अंदर जा रहे हैं और आपका ब्यूटीफुल बंगलो दिखाएंगे लोगों को. सो हियर वी गो. लेट मी रिमूव माय चप्पल्स बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू dirty this beautiful bungalow. And this is the hall where we are going to chill. And I'll just show you what's inside. This is the room number 1. This is not that big, but it's fine for like 2-3 people, I guess. And this one is a huge room. Wow! It's scary because I'm alone over here, but it looks cool, right? Here's the bathroom of this. It's pretty decent, and trust me, it's very clean, guys. And I'll show you another room where one of my friends is here. No, he's not here. But this room looks cool as well. You can get a view of the pool from here. There's a pool, they're having fun, my friends are having fun, they're enjoying. And I'll show you guys what's upstairs or downstairs. Where should we go first? We'll go downstairs first. So here is place where people are going to play table tennis. I don't know how to play, but I used to play this in school. So we are coming into the kitchen. This is the dining area, and so here is the kitchen, and there's something secret cooking in the kitchen which I cannot show you right now. But what I'll show you is what is upstairs. So upstairs basically is my room, which I've taken. I sneaked into the bungalow and took the best bedroom. So this bungalow has basically 5 bedrooms, and here's one more bedroom. This is like same as below. This is a good bungalow. You have a good view from here too. And hi. So this is locked. Maybe it's a horror, something like that. There's a ghost over here. Maybe, we don't know. We'll check that out in the night. This is locked. I'm not opening that. Maybe there's a ghost inside. And here is my room. It's not like a 7-star hotel room, but I like it. I like the vintage vibe you get from the room. It looks so good. And why I have taken this room is because of the view. You can see the pool from here. You get a good view of what's around from here. And look at the view. I don't know what he is doing there. Can you guys guess what exactly he's doing downstairs with the pool? Maybe playing with the ball, or maybe playing with his own. So yeah, and the second reason why I've taken this room is because of this. So this is a massive bathroom. Ignore this. It's not smelling bad though. But I've taken this bathroom because of this decent sized bathtub, and there's a light coming here. We have also got our own lights, so we'll be doing a photo shoot over here. Maybe when I'll go or come back from the pool. Here's a carom board which we will be playing in the evening when we get tired after the pool. So guys, even I am going to join my friends in the pool, swimming pool. I'll be going in the swimming pool, and I can't wait to remove my t-shirt and show my body and flex, as you guys know. So guys, see you in the pool. Wait a minute guys. So before going in the pool, we need to wear a good pool outfit, right? So yeah, let's go. DJ, music please. So guys, after coming back from the pool, we were very tired, so we took a rest, and now we are ready. 1 hour to go for my birthday. Yes. And guess who's here? And some more friends are going to join me for my birthday. So 1 hour to go, and the preparations are going on. So here's the pool, and as you can see, there's a special thing going on over there. There's barbecue going on over here. I'll just show it to you. So this is the pool, and this is how the bungalow looks like in the night. और यहाँ पे हो रहा है बारबेक्यू. क्या बन रहा है यहाँ पे आज? चिकन टिक्का बन रहा है, और दिस इज चिकन टिक्का एंड दिस इज मलाई टिक्का, एंड द कोल इज बर्निंग ओवर हियर. तो अभी थोड़ी देर में बारबेक्यू करेंगे, राइट? अभी 1 घंटे में हम यहाँ पे पार्टी करने वाले हैं. My friends are on the way, so we already 9 people over here, and some more people are going to join me for my birthday. So I'll just get ready and I'll wear my birthday outfit, and I'll see you guys in some moment.
So here is my boy. He has turned 25 years old and going great in life. Oh my God!
All because of you guys.
May Allah bless you. We all love you, brother. And see.
ब्रदर हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई.
लेकिन पंजे में शर्ट निकाल दे.
जासिम भाई, सरफराज भाई. Oh my God! वो आकाश शिंदे, आकाश बॉय. ये हमारा डबू रत्नानी है.
So guys, look who's here for my birthday. Special person, Imran bhai is here.
That's
Thank you,
right.
Imran bhai, for coming.
All the way I drove like really fast to make it by 12. 25 मिनट लेट कोई बात नहीं है, अभी लेट ही
अभी
थे
तो
वैसे
पार्टी
कुछ
शुरू
पार्टी
हुई
में।
है।
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, अभी तो हम आए, अभी बजाएंगे, नाचेंगे, वाचेंगे, एंटरटेन करेंगे, कूदेंगे, फिर जाएंगे।
और जसीम भाई,
वो
कैसे हो? सब ठीक है ना?
सब ब्रो।
Great, my birthday, Imran bhai is here.
Very happy birthday to my dear friend.
Gang is here.
टेंशन मत ले, मैं आऊँगा। I'll be back guys. I'm sorry for the short, very short meeting with slow volume music. We'll मचाओ faster. चलो guys, thank you.
Okay, thank you भाई. आप आए बहुत अच्छा लगा. Guys, only one person was missing for my birthday, and he's the most important person in my life. He's my best friend. He's here. Mohan is here. Mohan, say hi to the audience. Thank you so much, bhai. Thank you so much, bhai. Love you. चल जल्दी आ और जल्दी मिलते हैं. Hello everyone, a very good morning. So we were very tired last night and we had a crazy night, and I'm so thankful that my friends came and celebrated my birthday, and there were some special people who showed up on my birthday from so far. So I want you guys to meet some of my friends before leaving for home from this beautiful place. So guys, पार्टी खत्म हो चुकी है हम लोगों की.
यो मैन,
जसीम भाई कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा भाई, कल आकर के।
सरफराज कैसा लगा? बर्थडे कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही शानदार, जबरदस्त और झक्कास था, है ना?
और जगह कैसी थी?
जगह तो
बहुत अच्छी थी भाई, बहुत अच्छी जगह,
एकदम बेस्ट वाली,
एकदम बेस्ट जगह थी, एकदम फैमिली के साथ।
So guys, we are leaving right now from this beautiful place. समीर भाई, जगह कैसी लगी?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, हालत खराब है, जिंदगी खराब हो चुकी है।
ऋषि,
मस्त
आनंद भाई,
बहुत मजा आई भाई, आपकी बर्थडे
जान।
एंजॉय किए।
बहुत मजा आया भाई।
so guys, right now it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place, and I'll see you guys after reaching home. जगह कैसी थी जगह?
जगह तो
बहुत अच्छी थी भाई, बहुत अच्छी जगह थी,
एकदम बेस्ट वाली
एकदम बेस्ट जगह थी, एकदम फैमिली के साथ बीवी।
सो गाइज अगर आप लोगों को ये जगह पे आना है और हमारा बर्थडे का यहाँ पे क्या कॉस्ट हुआ है तो मुझे DM करो और फॉलो करो।
ओके